Hello everyone and welcome to the UkeStuff channel. Today I have an unboxing for you. It's part one of an unboxing. So I'm going to tell you a little story first. On Facebook, a person posted a picture of an ukulele and they said, look, check out my new ukulele. It's made out of solid koa. And it was a great bargain. They had a link to the website. And I went to the website and I checked it out. I hadn't seen the brand before and it was pretty clear that by the pricing it wasn't pure koa. It was Acacia koa. Ultimately, koa is a very, very expensive wood right now. It's grown in Hawaii, and the only way to legally obtain it is when a koa tree falls down. So therefore, the source is limited, but it is out there. But nonetheless, there is a whole another way of looking at wood, which is this way. Koa is a branch of the acacia species of tree. So koa is acacia of a certain type that's grown only in Hawaii with those properties. However, acacia is grown in many places around the world, and in fact is even mentioned throughout the reading of the Bible. It's a really famous wood in our culture. It's a beautiful tone wood. Pure acacia tends to have a little bit of a darker quality. A koa, which is grown in Hawaii's kind of special conditions, tends to have this very chimey, bright, full register sound, which is why it's so treasured. Well, anyway, I contacted the company, and since I hadn't heard of them, and I introduced myself and talked about this channel and what I do as a music educator, they contacted me back and said, we'd love to have you take a look at our ukuleles, and in fact, we're going to send you two of them. We're going to send you one to keep and one to give away to one of your students. And I currently teach elementary K through 5, but I teach ukulele to my 5th graders. And that was very kind of them, and they sent them to me. And although the U.S. Postal Service is a little slow these days, the 2-pack arrived today. So what I'm going to do is open one of these today, and I'm going to split up the reviews of these over a month because I have a bunch of other things, and I don't think it'd be great for them to have that happen. Oh, by the way, the name of the company, if I'm going to pronounce it right, I don't know if I will, is Kalane. www.koakalane, Kalane.com. And if you want to see what they have, you hit the special offer button. Now, one of these is sold on eBay, and the other one is just sold through their website, and the prices are amazing for a solid wood instrument. Some have just a solid top, but the solid wood ones have an amazing price, and they even offer like 2-packs and other things. And the company also mentioned that in the future they're looking at carrying some solid koa, some actual koa. Now, if you look on the website, they do clarify that it is acacia koa, but it can be confusing, obviously, when you're using the name acacia and koa together. Once you're in the ukulele world for a while, you start to get used to that terminology, just like when you read online that something is mahogany, but it doesn't say solid mahogany, they're talking about laminate. The same is true here, is that a new buyer might think, I'm buying a solid koa ukulele for whatever. So it can be a little confusing for consumers who are buying ukulele for the first time and not really understanding what they're getting. However, a solid acacia ukulele at these prices is still pretty good, and we're going to get a chance to take a look at them. So I'm going to cut apart these two boxes. All right, I'm not sure which one we're going to open first, so I'm going to take the one on the top and open up and see what we have. As always, just want to remind you that unboxing on this channel is simply an opportunity to get a first look at an ukulele before it comes down to a review. Okay, so here it is in the box. It comes in a bag, a light bag, not a lot of padding. So maybe just a millimeter or two of padding, which is okay. And you're getting a bag with it. Has a shoulder strap, has a front pocket, has a handle. So taking a look at this one, and this one I believe is a concert ukulele with a solid acacia top and laminate acacia back and sides, if I'm correct. Let's tune it up and let you hear it. All right, just taking a look at it overall, there is just one single side marker at the 7th fret. At least it has it. It has a slotted bridge. You've got the turtle engraving on it. very resonant soundboard. That's exciting. It's really pretty. You've got open geared chrome tuners. There's their logo, the Kalane logo. Frets are not sharp. All right, here we go. First test. A little Mozart. Yeah, the strings are going to have to settle down. The strings right now appear to be Acacia Super Nalguts or some variation of that. The neck has really got a nice profile, nice and flat. I don't know if you can see that. Really comfortable to play. So this is kind of exciting. So that is the Kalane. I believe that is the concert with a solid acacia top and laminate acacia back and sides, but you'd never know by looking at it. It's gorgeous. All right. Watch for this one to be reviewed in the future. It'll be coming up sometime in the near future. And then watch for the other unboxing of its sister instrument that arrived today. Thanks for watching. Hope you're having a great day. And I will be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.